Hi friends, Vivin Sarai. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to deal with the science class 3. Okay, and then we are starting with the second chapter. This is the second video of the second chapter. In the first video, we already just learned about the parts of a plant, the root system. We have studied that root system, different types of roots, that is fibrous root and tap root. We studied in the first video. I think all of you have textbook. Please take a textbook with you. We have already completed parts of the plants, and in that heading, under that heading we studied roots and the functions of the root and the different types of roots we already completed. If you did not get that video, please just watch it in YouTube. Kerala Public School, Agadia. Okay, so today we are going to study. This is the second video, part 2. We are going to study this one, the shoot system. Okay, so after roots, the next visible portion of the plant, that is which we can see above the soil, that is called the shoot. Okay, above the soil, all these things we can see when a plant which is stand above the soil. Okay, so that is called the shoot system. So we are going to study about the shoot system of a plant. Shoot system consists of stem, then leaves, flowers, buds, fruits, etc., etc. So that's we will study in detail about the shoot system today. This is only a 10 or 15 minutes video. I will give little only to study. As you know, the lockdown is there, so little portion only I will give you. This is the second video, and you will be getting one more video. In that we will complete this chapter. Okay. So today we will study shoot system, and in shoot system in detail about the stem and the functions of the stem. We will study what are the functions of the stem, and the second small topic is there. Parts of a leaf. Okay, so all these things we are going to study today. So please take a textbook. I already told you to read it before the class. So after the class also, before studying and after studying, you must read. Reading gives you better knowledge. So please try to read the chapters. Not about the science, all the chapters which we are providing online classes, of all the classes you have to read the textbook carefully. Okay, and keep a dictionary always with you. Okay, it is very difficult to find the difficult words meaning, so keep the dictionary with you, and always whenever you get a difficult word, underline it, go to the dictionary, find out the meaning, and learn better. Okay, so that is about that. So we will go to the today page number 12, the shoot system. Okay, shoot consists of parts of a plant that grow above the ground, which we can see above the soil, and that is called the shoot system. Almost these all parts we can see of a plant above the soil. The stem, this one I have a small portion of that. The stem, this one, that is called the stem. This line you can see the green. This is called the stem. Okay, then leaves, at least you can see the leaves of this one. These are called leaves. And again flowers you can see small yellow color flower there. I hope I get the best example. Okay, this is flowers also you can see. Then buds and fruits. These fruits are not there, but if we compare it to a mango or this one mango or grape, etc., you can see one. Okay, so we will explain in detail the shoot system. Stem first, the main part of the shoot system, that is the stem. Okay, without the stem we cannot describe other parts. Okay, so first we will start with the stem. Look at the textbook, page number 12. The stem grows above the ground and usually holds the plant upright. Stem plant को बहुत मदद करता है, क्योंकि without the stem this plant not almost all the plants they cannot stand straight without the help of the stem. Okay, so first function of the stem is it holds the plant upright. It gives a posture to the plant that to stand straight. Okay, so that is the first thing which is given in your textbook. And it bears, the stem bears branches, flowers, all these things, leaves, flowers, buds, fruits, etc. are stands on the plant with the help of this strong stem. Okay, so that is about that one. And because of the stem, okay, because of that posture, the plant is getting enough amount of sunlight. Okay, so while standing straight in the soil, the stem also gives enough amount of this one. Stem helps the plants to get enough amount of sunlight. Okay, so that is also one important point about a stem. Okay, so there are two types of stems. One is a strong stem Then next one is a weak stem. I'll give examples. The plants which is having strong stem and a weak stem. So the plant which has this one strong stem, that we have good example, mango, neem, etc., etc. They have thicker that stem is there. We call it as a trunk. Okay, you can see that broad portion, that is called the stem of that plant. In bigger plants, trees, we call stem as a trunk because it is very hard and it is very strong, and then it gives a good posture to the plant. So that is about that one. Certain trees such as banyan and have strong stem, known as a trunk. I already explained that, and it holds a tree to stand upright. It gives a position, posture. Then plants such as which is having weak stem, that is in our school we have a grape. It is not having any strong stem. Okay, it needs support to grow. That is why it depends on the walls of the walls in our school. That depends on the wall and the roof, etc., etc. So it needs the plants which has this one weak stem. It needs support to grow. It takes support of some more examples are there. The bitter gourd, the pumpkin, this one, etc., pumpkin, etc., etc., watermelon, etc., need support to grow. Without support, they cannot stand. Otherwise, the plants which has a weak stem, they always creep. Okay, so that also given there. The plants which has weak stem, they either crawl along the ground or need support of other plants. With the support, the plants which has weak stem, they need a support to grow. Oh, okay, so that is about that one. In plants, stems are there. So stems are two types: strong stem and weak stem. Okay, so already given example with the plants with strong stem, this mango tree, then neem, etc., etc., and plants which are this one weak stem, that is a pumpkin, or this one bitter gourd, then grapes, etc., etc. That's another best example for the plants which has a weak stem. Okay, so that is about given in the first paragraph about the stem. Now moving to the next, we have the functions of the stem. So how we know what are the functions of this stem? This stem has a good role of in a plant. It has a good role in it plays a good role in a plant. The functions of the stem, first one I already told you that it holds the plant upright. Plant को खड़े रहने के लिए in the soil it need to stand upright. Okay, for that this strong stem helps the plant. So first function of the stem, it holds the plant upright. It helps the plant to stand upright. Okay, so that is the first one. Second one, it carries water and minerals from the roots. Okay, we know we already studied about the roots. Root, one of the most important function of root, that is it takes minerals and water from the soil. Also, the minerals and the water which is taken by the root, it is again given to the leaves and this one other parts of the plant. That job is done by is the stem. Okay, so the stem, one of the most important function of the stem is it carries water and minerals from the roots. Okay, from the roots, and also one more important this one function of the stem, that is it again carries food which is prepared by the leaves. We know that this one the food preparation which is going on in a plant, that is in the leaf. Okay, so the two main function, that is the second function of the stem, that is the stem. Okay, stem carries food from leaves. The food which is prepared by leaf, which will be stored in different parts of the plant. Okay, so that food will be taken by the stem and it gives to the different parts of the plant. Okay, suppose if in the root, if the food is stored by the plant, then that food which is made by the plant is taken by the stem and it reaches to the root with the help of the stem. Okay, so we have some more examples. You look at the textbook. This one, a plant is shown on the right side. You can see in your textbook there is a picture of a plant with red arrows and with the this one blue arrow marks. It is given that these two functions. Okay, so please try to look at the textbook, keep the textbook with you, and just look at that picture. This one, a plant shown in the right side. The red arrow shows how the food prepared by the leaves moved to the other parts of the plant. Okay, if suppose this plant prepared food in the leaves, so that food will be taken by the stem and it stores in the different parts of this this one plant. Okay, so that is given in the red arrow marker, and the green, which the blue arrow mark, which shows that this one, this first second function, it carries water and minerals from the roots. How that water and minerals come taken by the this one stem from the roots and how it reaches different parts of the this one plant, the leaf, etc., etc. So that you just read that one. It is very easy to understand that. Okay. Then again, some plants like sugarcane and potato store extra food on the stem. So we usually eat stem of some plants like sugarcane. हम लोग जो खाते हैं, then we make juice. Okay, so what happens? How we make sugarcane juice? That have you seen outside in the roadside also? You can see that they are having the stem, the thick stem of that sugarcane, and with the help of a roller they used to squeeze it and they take out that juice from the stem. Okay, so that is about that one. Some plants, sugarcane, the plants store food in their stem itself. So we used to eat the stem of that particular plant. Okay, sugarcane is a good example. Then potato also example. It stores food on their stem. Okay, potato, aloo, that is a potato. Okay, so that is about that one. Then that is all about that one. I think all of you understood about this one. Stem, what is a stem, and what are the main 2-3 functions of that stem. I think all of you, I hope you understood that one. Okay, then again moving to next one, we have a next topic, that is leaves, pata, leaves. Okay, leaves, that is this one. This is a grapevine, this one, angurka leaf. If you have any, take a leaf with you, that will be easy for to understand the parts of a leaf. Okay, so look at the page number, page number 13, parts of a leaf. So before parts of a leaf, so we will start with that one. So before going to that one, have you seen अलग-अलग plant का अलग-अलग leaf होता है? That is why plants are different from one plant from another. Okay, मतलब क्या होता है? एक plant का leaf will be always different from another plant. Like mango tree का leaf अलग है, नीम का अलग होता है, banana का नींबू का अलग होता है, सबसे बड़ा वाला होता है. There is given as a small VK that the banana leaf, that is the one leaf which we use to serve food. Okay, in Kerala we have Onam celebration. That time we used to have food, have that meals with in the this one, banana leaves. Okay, so that is one of the general knowledge, that is keep it in your mind. Okay, so we'll go to the last topic of today, that is parts of a leaf. This is a little bit big leaf. Different types leaves are there. This is, you look at this one, we can see a small leaves. Okay, so I took this one, grapevine. This is a little bit bigger and it will be easy to understand. Okay, so just look at page number 13, parts of a leaf. Go to garden, don't need to go to garden. Okay, take leaves always beside your house or somewhere else. Okay, take one leaf and observe it. Okay, you can see some special this one, you can clearly see some of the things, some of the parts which we can clearly see in this leaf. You can see some lines are there, some big lines are there. This one, you keep the back side of the leaf. Okay, some of the lines you can see there. These are called the main veins of the leaf. Okay, main veins, you can see the leaf. I think you can see this one, main veins of the leaf, and you can see small this one, small lines also you can see. One is this one, the larger one you can see, that is called the main vein, and the smaller one you can see, that is a small veins. Okay, so that is about that one. What do you see? On the lower surface of the leaf, you can see a main vein and a small veins. Okay, and these veins support the leaf and carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. I'll explain that. Okay, so the stem. Okay, this stem takes water and minerals from the this one from the root. Okay, which is already taken by the root from the soil. So stem usko kya karenge? Stem will transfer. Okay, so it from this one, from stem to the leaf. Okay, now what happens? This is a leaf stalk. So what happens? This leaf stalk is attached to the stem. So what are the minerals and the water which is taken by the this one root and after the stem, which is given to this leaf stalk. Now leaf stalk will distribute all that this one water and the minerals to the leaf with the help of this this one main vein and this small veins. Okay, so that is about that one. This one main vein, that midrib, usko midrib bolta hai. In the next higher class you will study in detail. Now only given in the textbook, that is a main vein and a small veins. So ये बड़ा lines को main vein बोलता है, छोटा छोटा लाइन को हम लोग बोलेगा small veins. Okay, and one more important thing is this plant leaf, under the plant leaf there are small holes are there. With the naked eyes we cannot see that one. With the help of microscope or if you have a lens, you take that and just look at the downside portion of the leaf को पता को उल्टा कीजिए and look at it with the help of a lens. You can see small holes are there. Okay, so the small holes we call it as a stomata. Okay, so what the stomata does, stomata helps the plant to breathe. While हवा जो जाएगा, the plant gets enough amount of air with the help of the stomata. Okay, so that is given as a last sentence. This one, leaves also have many tiny holes called stomata and on the surface. Then again these holes helps a plant to breathe. What this one, air में हम लोग जिंदा रहने के लिए that we need oxygen and plant needs carbon dioxide to make their food. So हवा में all these things are get by the this one, leaf, because of this small holes present under the leaf called stomata. So that is about that one. With the help of stomata the plant breathes. Okay, so that is about the leaf parts. Okay, so that is about that today's class. Only I will find out with that one, parts of a leaf. Keep in mind that take a leaf. If you have lens, you just use lens to you can, with the help of lens you can see that stomata. Okay, so I think all of you may understood all these things whatever I taught you today. I have a homework, learn the functions of the stem. Only two are there. In detail I described that one. You just study these two functions of the stem. In the question answer it is given there. You can write the question answers while when I teach it in the video. You can see some of the main points I'll write in the board. Okay, so just pause there. If you have this one in the question answers, if their question is there, then with the help of that one you can write the question answers. Okay, otherwise I will give it in the later part of the video. So that is all about it today. Today we discussed the stem and the functions of the stem. The shoot system, we started with the shoot system, and in shoot system we study the today stem and the parts of leaves. Okay, so I think all of you may understood that one. Thank you all of you. You see you in the next video. God bless.